Hey, it's Xavier here from Tameron Hyundai. Thank you for your inquiry on the 2020 Palisade. Brand new, beautiful vehicle. Let's check it out. It features our cascading grille on there, LED daytime running lights. Also, this vehicle is going to come with our premium alloy wheels. Tons of the latest safety features like blind spot detection and lane keep assist. Once you follow me, I'll show you inside. Now this beautiful third row vehicle is going to come leather equipped. Also going to come with a sunroof. Also a 10.25 touchscreen dash with Apple CarPlay, Android CarPlay, backup cam, navigation, Bluetooth controls at the touch of your fingertips. But that's not the best part about this beautiful vehicle. The best part about it is going to be the warranty. We have a 5-year, 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, as well as a 20-year, 200,000-mile powertrain warranty, exclusively here at Tameron. So if you would, give me a call. My name is Xavier. My number is 205-886-0890. You're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai.